Hello, good morning. Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to fix that whenever you click on this PC or any files to fix the file explorer. I got it changed here because it didn't work properly. Okay, if you double click this PC, okay, that's the new style of ribbon with your tabs showing on top. Okay, everywhere you go it's the same thing. Okay, you go here, same thing. Go in here, same thing. Okay, you right click, you can delete or copy and paste or whatever needs to be done. Everything is fine. Okay, every once in a while though, like this will disappear and it's gone, cannot use it anymore. Okay, so to fix this problem, what I did, I went and create a shortcut on my desktop by opening the control panel and using the Windows tools. Okay, once you got Windows tools, you go to the little arrow there that just before control panel and open desktop. It'll give you all the stuff you have on your desktop, and you could create. You could not create, but open your user folder, and this ribbon is still there, but this the old style ribbon. That's what I wanted. The old style ribbon. I don't want the new style ribbon. Too confused. Too slow to figure out. It's okay. I guess after a while you get used to it. But if it disappears on you, it's no good. For me, it was disappearing every once in a while, and I couldn't do nothing. I had to reboot my computer, so that's what I did to work around. Okay, and also what I did, I installed this program. Uh, if I go to and I pin it to my startup. Okay, it's called uh, WinArrow Tweaker. If you open WinArrow Tweaker, okay, whoops, I must have clicked twice. Okay, it opens up. Yeah, I clicked twice. That's it. Just had to click once. Okay, then you have it says enable ribbon. Okay, you could just go there and launch File Explorer with ribbon. You click that. Okay, and then it's gonna show up. That's fine. You could do it this way. Okay, but okay, and then it's gonna show the desktop. I kind of like that. Save one step. But, okay, or you just create a desktop shortcut for Ribbon Explorer. Do the same thing. It'll just give you an icon like this that I already have, and then I pin it to my start menu. Okay, if you double click it, it's gonna open. Okay, and then go to your user folder. All your folders are in here. Your download, where is it? Download your documents, your pictures, whatever you need in here. Okay, and it gives you the old style ribbon. Okay, so that's the two ways that you're able to get around that ribbon issue that sometimes doesn't show up. Like right now, I'll, I'll try to make it disappear. To me, You see right now, I open about 4 or 5 times, it's gone. And if I try to click anything in here, be also gone. Okay. So this thing is useless for me. It's every time, every once in a while, it disappears if I use it too many times. Now I have to reboot my computer to get it back. Like, why does it do this? That's since I did the upgrade on Windows 11 23H2. The 22H2 was fine. It was working fine. I had no problem, no issues. Okay, it just whenever I did that last upgrade, messed up. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope that helps people with issues on that Explorer file ribbon and tabs disappearing. Thank you very much. Till next time.